And we are here in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a new cartridge in this Moen faucet. So it's a widespread lavatory faucet. Don't know the model of it, but this is the same one. This is, I don't know, from the late 90s, early 2000s. I know my pop has this in his house, same faucet. So it was dripping, and so we replaced the cold side. If you ever have a problem with it starting to drip again, you know, we figure out real quick by just shutting off one of the shut-off valves and finding out if it's the cold again or the hot. But anyway, so it's good. That's the cartridge there. So just for reference, the 1224B, you know, they ordered it, brought it, you know, had it shipped here, and we installed it. So it's good. Everything's back together functioning. I did suggest that in this area you do not water down the top of the sink. Reason being is the little mounting brackets, the little washers, have a groove in them that you put putty in, and then you put it against the sink, and it helps to seal from water going through. Well, those plates with the grooves were mounted facing up, so there's nothing to seal it. We did go ahead and just really fill this little cavity right there full of putty just for insurance purposes, and then we did not over tighten this. It's pretty snug, but we didn't over tighten this. We had to actually use pliers and a little coaster, rubberized coaster, to get that off there, and so we didn't damage the finish there. But everything's back in, everything's good. Outside of that, this installation is done.